Three teens from planet Eire become shipwrecked on Famor, an ancient prison planet hidden in the red zone. Here they are greeted by Genie, who empowers them with the ability to combine into one unit, Holt, a super being. With the universe now under attack from the evil Blight, the teens must fight for survival. So they can safely return to their home world. Previously on Holt.
Must mean that we're on for more!
For more? The ancient prison planet? I've read about it, but I never believed that it actually existed.
Not even Eire's soldiers would dare come here.
Oh, what chance will we have then?
Holt, what do you seek?
A signal box!
It's from Eire.
But how did it end up here?
Dunno. Must have got knocked off one of our school transports.
During the electric pulse.
Hey, do you think maybe it's got messages from home?
Oh no! What's happening?
Energy's running low, and once it's gone, it's...
Gone forever?
Along with any last messages.
Unless we can recharge it. This model operates on gas, so...
Genie knows a place. Full of gas energy.
Let's go charge this baby up.
Oh, of course it means braving the super scary forest.
What is it this time?
Play nice, Rue. He's just scared.
Okay, I'm not that scared. Ah!
It's gonna be a long night.
No, Rue. We're already here. Look.
Awesome!
Genie, you're a genius.
So now, to the core, restore.
Is it the right stuff?
Affirmative. It has all the necessary chemicals.
Look at that. He's finally stopped freaking out.
Oh, he just needed a focus.
Nothing scary here. It's coming from that cave.
What is that?
its tummy.
Huh, let's just go get our refill.
Guys, isn't this stealing? Also, remember how it just roared?
Dude, come on.
Bring the box.
So now we just have to wait for a gas bubble to rise. We insert the signal box.
And wait for it to fill up.
Yeah, about that. Could be a while.
So hurry up then.
You can do it. Oh no.
What's wrong?
It tickles. Come on.
Oh, hey, little fella.
Just charging our transmitter.
Gas! Yum!
Yum? Huh?
He thinks you're food or something.
More like a source of energy. Ah! Take the signal box. Save yourselves!
He's gaining fast! He's too strong!
Only one thing for us.
1, 2, 3, oh! Dude, it's okay, it's over.
He can't hurt you anymore.
Easy, easy.
Oh, it alive. No hurt. Thought you gas. You steal my gas, I steal yours.
Oh, sorry. We should have asked.
We need it for our signal box.
So we can go home.
Home. I, far from home too. Me, steal gas for family. Sent here, so now I help you.
Yay!
were right. There is good on this planet. Thank you.
Oh, you will